How to change forgotten password on Instagram. So if you want to change your password, but if you have forgotten your password, then first of all you have to open up your Instagram application, and then after opening, now you can go to your profile, which is on the bottom right corner, and then from here you can go to the upper right corner, which has the three-barred icon, and then head over to settings and privacy. And after that, here on the first option you will have account center. Simply tap on account center, and then you have to choose password and security, which is on the third option under account settings. And here on the first option you will have change password option. So simply tap on change password and then choose Instagram. And here, if you have forgotten your password, you can simply tap on forgotten your password. But if you have not forgotten, then you can simply enter your current password, and then you can type your new password, and after that you can simply tap on change password, which is on the bottom of your screen, and after that your password will be changed. But if you have forgotten, then you can simply tap on forgotten your password. And now they have sent a mail to your Gmail address, which is linked to your Instagram account, and after that you have to open that mail. And after opening your Gmail, here you will have reset password option. You can simply tap on reset password, and then you have to choose to open with Instagram, and then after choosing, now from here you can change your password. You can enter your new password, and after that you have to retype your new password, and then you can simply tap on reset password, and that's it. That's how you change your password without knowing your old password. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.